The wise person, for him, he is also divine. All the instrument through which he is coming in contact with the world, the mind is also divine. And the whole world which is experience is also divine. See? Jala samanya buddhi nam abdhena anyas tarangaka. See? Waves are nothing but the ocean. Ocean is nothing but the water. In the same manner, the world is nothing but the mind. Mind is nothing but Brahman. And therefore everything is only the Brahman. Yada sankshiyate chittam abhavatyanta bhavanat chit samanya swarupasya satta samanyata tada. With very good thought. Yada sankshiyate chittam atyanta abhavatyanta bhavanat. When the mind is given the object as absence, atyanta abhava bhavanat. When absence is object of contemplation, mind disappears. Because mind is knowledge where objectivity is predominant. And mind without objectivity is Brahman. And therefore, yada chittam abhava atyanta bhavanat sankshiyate, when the mind is thus engaged in this absence, abhava, as the object of contemplation. But don't get miserable. I don't have money, abhava. I don't have children, abhava. No, not that. Absence of time, absence of space, absence of sound, absence of thoughts. The chitta, the mind, sankshiyate, slowly and completely dissolves, disappears. So yada chittam abhava atyanta bhavana sankshiyate, then what happens? Chit samanya sarupasya. Then the pure consciousness, without any contents, without any attributes, satta samanyata tada. So the knowing is being. See? Chitta samanya rupasya, knowledge. And satta samanya rupasya, existence. So the chit and the sat, the consciousness and the existence, they are one. Chitta, chit samanya rupasya, satta samanyata tada. So ultimate is when knowing is being, you have walked the path in the right way. How important it is. Chit samanya sarupasya satta samanyata tada. Only samanya chit, pure consciousness, no contents. Similarly, pure existence, not existence of. Not conscious of. No. Delete the of. Then Sat and the Chit are one. This experience where Sat and Chit are one is called as knowing is being and being is knowing. They are not separate. See? How beautifully our Yoga Vashishta is focusing attention on every small little thing. Therefore, the more you reflect on this, contemplate on this, it will help us.